Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2018 Chevrolet Silverado. This Silverado is featured in a black paint finish and is the LTZ trim. Under the hood is our 5.3-liter V8 engine paired to our automatic transmission and four-wheel drive. Inside the vehicle we have seating for 6 on jet black leather seating surfaces. We have heated seats in the front of the vehicle, trailer tow package with integrated brake controller, our parking sensors. Outside the vehicle, we have black alloy wheels, our black assist step, as well as a spray-on bedliner. Starting off in the front of the vehicle, above our chrome finish door handle, we have our driver's seat memory with mirror memory. Below, we have power folding mirrors, power locks, power windows, and our child safety and rear window lock. Some storage in the rest of the door and our speaker. Just inside, to the left of the steering wheel, we have our integrated trailer brake controller, transfer case settings for our four-wheel drive, and our lighting controls. Down the side of the driver's seat, we have our power settings, and the seat itself is finished in our jet black leather. Getting into the vehicle and looking above our steering wheel, we have our Z71 style display cluster. In the center, we have a digital information system, and we also have our hazard lights on top of the steering column. Down on the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we have our cruise settings and audio controls in the back. Moving to the right-hand side of the steering wheel, we have our voice recognition, hands-free, controls for our driver information system, as well as more audio controls behind the steering wheel. Shifter up behind, and we have a keyed ignition. Moving to the middle, we have our infotainment system. If we go into audio, we have our AM, FM, and Sirius XM, our Bluetooth media. Also have a phone connection with projection, OnStar navigation. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we have our backup camera with our adaptive guidelines. Also volume and our power below, radio, media, home, back hotkeys, seek, as well as skip track and eject for our MP3 player across the bottom. Menu controls on the right if we don't want to be using the touchscreen. Then we have a heated driver's seat and a heated passenger seat. Dual zone climate control with our front and rear defrost, AC, auto, and sync. Across the bottom we have our traction control, high bed lighting, our park assist, as well as our downhill assist. Moving to our center console center seat combo, we have 3 cup holders in the front. Leather finish with some storage in the back. Inside we can see we have a divider that's removable, as well as our power, so a 12-volt, 2 USBs, and an auxiliary input. If we simply lift up on the seat, we can lock it into place in the back. You can see that it's leather finished. Underneath we have a button on the front that reveals under seat storage. And to put it back in place, all we have to do is simply lift forward. Passenger seat also finished in our jet black leather, heated and powered for our passenger. Lastly, moving above the rear view mirror, dome lights on either side, universal garage door opener in the middle, our powered third rear window, our controls for our dome lighting for the vehicle, and then a sunglass holder in the front of the vehicle. Now walking down the side of the vehicle. On the hood of the vehicle, we have a 3M protective covering. Moving down to the front tire and rim, we have our black alloy rim with a Chevrolet bow tie center cap and our all-terrain tires. Moving out, we have paint match mirrors as well as paint match door handles with a black assist step across the bottom of the vehicle. All the way around at the back, we have our corner bumper step. If we keep going, we can see that we have our black bow tie, black Silverado chrome Silverado and LTZ badging, and our trailer tow hitch. We have an easy lift and lower tailgate. In the bed of the truck, we have cable tie downs in the front and the back, as well as our spray-on bedliner. Moving into the back of the vehicle, we have a chrome finish door handle, power window control, as well as some storage throughout the door and our speaker. Inside the vehicle, storage pockets in the back of the driver and passenger seat. Below our center seat center console combo, we have some storage as well as a 12-volt plug. All-weather mats across the floor. Seats in the second row match the seats in the front and are jet black leather. In the center seat, we have our 2 foldable cup holders, power sliding third rear window behind it. Lastly, we can fold up these seats by simply pushing up on the bottom, and we can make some additional storage space. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2018 Chevrolet Silverado. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.